Hey everyone, what's going on? Joey here. We're currently live on the Wildwood Boardwalk Facebook page because today, actually in the next 8 minutes, Morey's Mariners Pier will be closing for the 2022 season. I know it's really sad to see the pier close, but I'm going to give you guys a quick little tour. Right now we're actually filming a Morey's Pier's closing day vlog, which will be online later on this week, probably on Wednesday in the Wildwood Video Archive on YouTube. But right now we're live here on Facebook. And first thing I just want to show you is that they have a new little creature when you come in. It's a seagull for Oktoberfest, which is awesome. They have the other one in the back, which is the octopus. That one's in the back of the pier. But right now I'm going to take you guys with me because we really only have a few minutes left until the pier is closed for the season. So my wife, who's actually behind camera, is going to hand me the camera. And we're going to walk around the pier real quick, okay? So here we go. We're going to start off the very front. You can see all the theming. You can see the pumpkins, the haystacks. Got the Oktoberfest. It's hard to see, but it's Oktoberfest. Here we go, octopus. See them over here. This is one of the areas that we're doing beer in. Hi, how are you? You can see all the flags for Oktoberfest. That's what the blue is all for, blue and white. Such an iconic shot right here. Actually, mind taking a photo of this? This is pretty cool. It's a great shot here with the flags around the ticket booth. Things are starting to quiet down a little bit because people are heading out. You take it long ways? Drew says, hey Joey, how are you? I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. We're filming our recap video. And they're closing very shortly, so everyone's getting the last rides in for the day. The balloon race in front of us. You get the Parents Pavilion, which looks amazing. They put all these pumpkins. That's a real pumpkin, by the way. You get the haystacks. You've got all of the stalks on there and more banners throughout all the rides. Unfortunately, the Sea Serpent is not open today, so I didn't get a chance to ride it. And someone asked if there's still seagulls going on. Yes, they have seagulls up here. You can get the ring toss. Now, we are selling our seagull pin, which I don't have on me right now. But if you want one of them, let me know. I can send you the link. Someone asked, is the game on the pier? Yes, the game is on the pier right now. See, they're starting to close things up already because we don't have much time left. Lisa says Morey's Piers was the best. I love that too. That was fun. So left-hand side is where you can get some of your beer and some of your Oktoberfest treats. And they have a tent under here where you can watch the games and things like that. And here's a giant wheel that's rotating, if you can see it. This is the seating area where you can get your beers and your snacks and eat them at. There was a live band performing about 20 minutes ago. They had just ended because they're closing up for the day. Looks like it's commercial time for the Eagles game, but they do have the Eagles game on different tents. So here, down here, and then there's another tent over there. But this is the band area. Someone says you can hear the Oktoberfest music. Yes, you can. This is the beer garden. See the garden, the beer station behind it. They did have activities for the kids, but unfortunately that's done for the day. It looks like the Eagles game just got back on. Currently it's 7-0. Look at that. Not bad at all. Go Birds. Here's the Ghost Ship, which unfortunately did not open this year. I wish it did, though. I love the Ghost Ship. Right? We've got the tilt-a-whirl over here, and our buddy Brian's operating it. Got the dart game. Looks like this one doesn't have any sunny seagulls up here. I love how they add in a ton of like photo opportunities for the fall. I mean, you can see right over here underneath. Rollies, you got one over here. As I said before, unfortunately, the Sea Serpent was not open today. This ride is closed for today. We apologize for any inconvenience. It's sad, but here's that iconic shot we always love to get. Let me back up. We have like the serpent. I'm sorry, I'm in someone's way. The serpent and the Ferris wheel. They had a bunch of different kinds of fall treats, including pumpkin funnel cake. You got a stuffed pumpkin muffin and other stuff. I haven't had any of this, but this stuff is fantastic. This is a giant pumpkin, by the way. This is where the octopus went. That guy just stole a pumpkin. The things you see on live stream. What time you have, Joel? 5 on the dot. This is the Parents Pavilion in the front. I love the Parents Pavilion. Though I do wish this was covered just a little bit. But I'll take you up here so you can see what it looks like. Got more pumpkins. You see, they already started putting things away for the fall. They're ready to move the canopies on top on both of these rides. Going to make our way to the left here. To give you one more view. The iconic view, guys. The last time for a while, you'll see this view as we try to walk off the pier. All right, guys. Well, that was it for you. It's Morey's Piers closing day. We will have a full video for you going through everything on YouTube, hopefully Wednesday afternoon. So go ahead and jump on our YouTube channel, Wildwood Video Archive. Please subscribe too. We're trying to hit 100,000 subscribers. I think we just hit 60,000. So jump on YouTube, check out that channel. We put 2 new Wildwood videos up every single week. It's normally like a Wednesday and a Saturday. I want to thank you for joining. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on the notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. Hope you guys have an off season. As a reminder, still tons of events taking place in the Wildwoods for the next several months. So come on down, a lot of great things to do. Anyway, I'm Joey as always. I'll see you on the beach. See you later. Bye. Hi, how are you?